Imagine that you could follow the deposits and loan payments made with your bank to see where the money is deployed. If you belong to a large national bank, you might see the funds being extended to other areas of the country or devoted to trading activities with profit-making potential for the bank. But if you belong to a community bank, then it would be a short trail to follow. You'd see the bank deposits and loan payments being channeled back into the very community they came from to support businesses and residents.
A community bank's strength, financial well-being is directly correlated to that community, and that the community is tied to that community bank. A lot of folks aren't realizing that today, but when you invest, you put your deposits, you borrow from a community bank, those deposits, those funding sources, they're all being redeployed in that market area, which will drive that economy, which will make everyone more successful.
Community banks turn the funds they receive from customers into loans that promote the growth and well-being of the local economy. These banks lend to companies that provide jobs locally, but are too small to draw the attention of large financial institutions. For the managers of the Talbot Bank, based in Easton, Maryland, the guiding principle is to turn deposits into loans and other productive investments that add economic and social value in the community. The bank's 7 branches make all their business loans to companies in Maryland's Midshore region. And as a member of the Shore Bankshares community of companies, Talbot Bank has access to an array of banking, insurance, and wealth management and trust services to meet the needs of customers and businesses.
Talbot Bank's loans provides economic value in many ways in the community. Socially, what we do is we provide additional capital for our businesses to grow and prosper, and also add employees. Typically, when employees are added to businesses, that increases different tax base to our local economy. It provides better school systems, and it provides better public services for us. Also, as we go through this and they grow employees, there's more patrons in the local economy for every business to prosper and be better. So a vibrant community with a vibrant employment typically is a good community to live in.
With their drive to keep the local economy strong, community banks also have an interest in improving the financial literacy of customers and business owners. Talbot Bank provides various forms of financial education in its markets, aimed at reversing the trends of low savings and high personal debt. The managers believe the health of individuals, families, and the community, both economically and emotionally, depends on good financial habits and decision-making.
Talbot County Public Schools became very interested in financial literacy because we are a small community and we do talk to one another. And our banking community really let us know that our children didn't know as much personal finance literacy as they should. And so back in 2004, we actually wrote a course called Personal Finance. We put the course into our program of studies. And every senior must take the personal finance course or a 4th year of math before they graduate.
Financial education can benefit people of all ages, from school children through senior citizens. Talbot Bank's financial literacy projects have included education sessions for seniors about fraud and exploitation, and a 6-week program for high school students that teaches them the do's and don'ts of credit. In this program, teens can learn about money matters of the future from industry experts who lend to young adults.
One thing we spend a lot of time talking about is credit reports. Credit reports can be so important and so easy in a young person's life to control or not control. So when we talk to young people, we talk about the fact that credit reports aren't just used when you go buy your first car. It can help you or help you not get a job. It's very important in the employment world. It's important for insurance premiums. So to be financially sound and be a smart consumer, controlling your credit report is really important.
In their lending and outreach programs, the slogan of community banks might well be, "Keep it local." At Talbot Bank, the managers want employees to come to work every day knowing they have a chance to make good things happen for someone in their community, by helping a resident to grow a business or buy a home, or by supporting a community project.
We have to do a better job at community banks at getting that message out, because when people fully understand how that money is utilized, it's invested in the community, it's building houses, it's building businesses, it's providing opportunities for employment, it's increasing the tax base. When that occurs, people understand that maybe that 25 basis point reduction in a loan isn't as good a deal as they thought, because when they're outsourcing their resources, they could eventually be outsourcing their clientele as well.
To learn more about the Talbot Bank, visit the company's website at www.talbot-bank.com or call 410-822-1400.